Now, when it comes to the flu, prevention is key. Dr. Macton says the best way to prevent influenza is a flu shot. It's recommended everyone 6 months and older get one every year. Kurt and Jess, I heard a lot of people on Facebook talk about elderberry and the flu, so good to know someone tested it, went against the placebo, and found some results.
All right, sounds like Edwin may need
That's not Edwin. I don't know who it is.
Okay, well, we hope they're okay.
Yeah.
You know what I've been
on 'em.
using?
Someone's coughing.
I see him.
Okay.
Zinc and vitamin C. That's been my everyday thing throughout all of
Yep.
this. There
Me
you go.
too.
All right, we continue to follow breaking news this hour. A kidnapping investigation leads to some scary moments for neighbors in an apartment complex in Franklinton. We have new video. Justin's in the newsroom.